In this period, we will discuss third example 100,330,52 minus 1. Find the inverse of the following matrices by the adjoint method. Third example is 100,330,52 minus 1. Let matrix A is 100,330,52 minus 1. This is a 3 by 3 order. 3 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, we can take determinant of A. Determinant of A equal to determinant of 100,330. This is the second row, and third row is a 52 minus 1. Therefore, we select the first element 1, leaving off first row, first column. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. This direction is a minus. 2 into 0 is a 0, minus 3 minus 0. And second element of first row is a 0 by the rules of determinant. Middle element is a minus 0, leaving off second column and first row. We cross product the 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 5 into 0, 0. This direction is a minus 0. Therefore, plus 0 into, we select the first row and third element is a 0, leaving off first row, third column. 3 into 2 is a 6. This direction is a minus. 5 into 3 is a 15. 6 minus 15. Therefore, 1 into minus 3 minus 0. This addition is a minus 3. Minus 0 into minus 3 minus 0. This addition is a minus 3. And plus 0 into 6 minus 15. This subtraction is a minus 9. Therefore, 1 into minus 3 is a minus 3. Minus 0 into minus 3. This product is a 0. 0 into minus 9 is a 0. Minus 3 plus 0 is a minus 3. The value of determinant A equal to minus 3. Therefore, determinant A not equal to 0. Determinant A not equal to 0. A inverse is a exist. A inverse is a exist. Find the cofactors. Find the cofactors. Find the cofactors of matrix A. We use the formula Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. This is the formula for the cofactors. Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. We can directly use A11. A11, 1 plus 1, this addition is a 2. 2 is an even number. We can directly use plus 1 into this minor is a M11. Therefore, plus 1 into minor is, leaving off first row, first column. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 2 into 0 is a 0, minus 3 minus 0. Plus 1 into minus 3 minus 0 is a minus 3. 1 into minus 3 is a minus 3. This is the first cofactor is a minus 3. Second is A12 equal to A12. 1 plus 2 is a 3. 3 is a odd number. We can directly use minus 1 into M12. Minus 1 into M12. Therefore, minus 1 into M12. M12 means leaving off first row, second column. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 5 into 0 is a 0. Minus 3 minus 0. Therefore, minus 1 into minus 3 minus 0 is a minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 3. This product is a plus 3. And third cofactor is A13 equal to. A13 means 1 plus 3, this addition is a 4, 4 is a even number. We can directly use plus 1 into this minor is a M13. Therefore, plus 1 into M13. What is the value of M13? Leaving off first row, third column. Leaving off first row, third column. We use the cross product. 3 into 2 is a 6. And 5 into 3 is a 15. 6 minus 15. Plus 1 into 6 minus 15 is a minus 9. 1 into minus 9 is a minus 9. And next cofactor is A21 equal to minus 1 into M21. A21 equal to 1 plus 2 is a 3. 3 is a odd number. Directly use minus 1 into M21. Minus 1 into M21 minus 1 into M21. M21 means leaving off second row, first column. Leaving off second row, first column. Second row, first column, we use the cross product. 0 into minus 1, 0. And 2 into 0 is a 0. 0 minus 0. Minus 1 into 0 minus 0 is a 0. Minus 1 into 0, this product is a 0. A21 is a cofactor, is a 0. Therefore, A22 is a plus 1. 2 plus 2 is a 4. 4 is a even number. We use the plus 1 into M22 plus 1 into M22. What is the value of M22? Leaving off second row, second column. We use the cross product. Remaining element 1, 0, 5 minus 1. 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1. This product is a minus 1. And 5 into 0, 5 into 0 is a 0. This direction is a minus. Minus 1 minus 0. Therefore, 1 into minus 1 minus 0. This subtraction is a minus 1. 1 into minus 1. This product is a minus 1. A22 is a minus 1. Therefore, A23 minus 1 into M23. Therefore, minus 1 into M23. M23, what is the value of M23? Leaving off second row, third column. Leaving off second row, third column. We use the cross product. 1 into 2 is a 2. And 5 into 0 is a 0. 2 minus 0 minus 1 into 2 minus 0 is a 2. Minus 1 into 2. This cofactor is a minus 2. And remaining cofactor is a A31 equal to plus 1 into M31. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is a even number. We use the directly plus 1 into M31. Plus 1 into M31. What is the value of M31? Leaving up third row, first column. Third row, first column. We use the 4 element 0, 0, 3, 0. Cross the product. 0 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 1 into 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 into 0. This product is 0. And next cofactor is A32. A32 equal to minus 1 into M32. Minus 1 into the, what is the value of M32? Leaving off third row, second column. There are 4 elements. Leaving off third row, second column. 1, 0, 3, 0. We use the cross product. 1 into 0 is a 0. And 3 into 0 is a 0. 1 minus 1 into 0 minus 0 is a 0. Minus 1 into 0 minus 0, 0. Minus 1 into 0 is a 0. And last cofactor is A33 equal to plus 1 into M33. Plus 1 into M33. 3 plus 3, 6. This addition is a 6. 6 is an even number. We use plus 1 into M33. What is the value of M33? Plus 1 into M33. Leaving off third row, third column. Leaving off third row, third column. There are 4 elements 1, 0, 3, 3. We use the cross product. 1 into 3 is a 3 and 3 into 0 is a 0. 3 minus 0. Therefore, 1 into 3 minus 0 is a 3. 1 into 3 is a 3. This product is a 3. Therefore, cofactors of A, cofactors of matrix A, cofactors of matrix A is, cofactors of matrix A is A11 is a minus 3, A12 is a 3, A13 is a minus 9, A21 is a 0, A22 is a minus 1, A23 is a minus 2, A31 0, A32 0 and A33 is a 3, the value of cofactors of matrix A. Okay. Find the value of adjoint A. What is the value of adjoint A? Adjoint A equal to transpose of matrix A. Transpose of matrix A. Transpose means interchange row and column. First row, we arrange first column minus 3, 3 minus 9. First row, first column. Second row, second column 0 minus 1 minus 2. Third row, third column. Transpose means interchange row of column. First row, interchange first column. Second row, interchange second column. And third row, interchange third column. This is the value of adjoint A. Minus 3, 3 minus 9. This is the first column. 0 minus 1 minus 2. This is the second column. And third column is 0, 0, 3. This is the third column. Therefore, find the inverse matrix. A inverse equal to, we use the formula 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A. The value of determinant A. Determinant A is a minus 3. 1 by minus 3 into adjoint A. The value of adjoint A is a minus 3, 0, 0. 3 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 2, 3. A inverse equal to, we use the formula 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. 1 by determinant A. The determinant of A is a minus 3. The value of determinant A is a minus 3 into the value of adjoint A is a minus 3, 0, 0. 3 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 2, 3. This is the value of A inverse. Okay. A inverse equal to 1 by minus 3 into minus 3, 0, 0. 3 minus 1, 0. Minus 9 minus 2, 3. Okay. We will discuss for the example 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. This is the square matrix. This order is a 3 by 3. Solution. Let matrix A is, the given matrix A is 1, 2, 3. Given matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. This is the value of matrix A. Determinant A equal to, we can take the determinant A. Determinant A equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. Therefore, we select the first element 1, leaving of first row, first column. There are remaining 4 elements. We use the cross product. 2 into 5 is a 10. This direction is a minus. 0 into 4 is a 0. 10 minus 0. We use the second element is a minus 2. By the rules of determinant, minus 2, leaving of second column and first row. These 4 elements 0, 4, 0, 5. We cross the product. 0 into 5 is a 0 and 0 into 4 is a 0. 0 minus 0. We select the third element of first row, 3, leaving of first row, third column. We use the 4 element. 0 into 0, 0 and 0 into 2 is a 0. This direction is a minus 0. Therefore 1 into 10 minus 0 is a 10 and minus 2 into 0 minus 0 is a 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 0. 3 into 0 minus 0 is a 0. Therefore 1 into 10 is a 10, minus 2 into 0, 0 and 3 into 0 is a 0. Therefore determinant A is a 10. Determinant A equal to 10. Therefore determinant A not equal to 0. This is the A is a non-singular matrix. Therefore A inverse is a exist. Therefore A inverse is a exist. Find the cofactors. Find the cofactors of matrix A. We use the formula Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. This is the formula of cofactors of a matrix A. Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Therefore, first cofactor is A11. We directly use A11. 1 plus 1 is a 2. 2 is a even number. Directly use plus 1 into M11. Therefore, plus 1 into M11. What is the value of M11? Leaving of first row, first column. 2 into 5 is a 10 and 0 into 4 is a 0. 10 minus 0. Therefore, 1 into 10 minus 0 is a 10. 1 into 10 is a 10. First cofactor is a 10. And second cofactor is A12. 1 plus 2, this is a 3. This addition is a 3. Directly use minus 1 into M12. What is the value of M12? Minus 1 into M12. Leaving off first row, second column. This product 0 into 5 is a 0. And 0 into 4 is a 0. Minus 1 into 0 minus 0 is a 0. Minus 1 into 0, 0. Therefore, third cofactor is A13 equal to plus 1 into M13. Plus 1 into M13. Plus 1 into M13. Leaving out first row, third column. 0 into 0, 0. And 0 into 2 is a 0. 1 into 0 minus 0 is a 0. 1 into 0 is a 0. There are 3 cofactors. And next cofactor is A21. 2 plus 1, 3. This is an odd number. Minus 1 into M21. Minus 1 into, what is the value of M21? M21, leaving off second row, first column. Therefore, leaving off second row, first column, 2 into 5 is a 10. 2 into 5 is a 10 and 0 into 3 is a 0. 10 minus 0. Therefore, minus 1 into 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0 is a 10. Minus 1 into 10 is a minus 10. This is the cofactor A21. Next cofactor A22. 2 plus 2, this addition is a 4. We use directly plus 1 into M22. What is the value of M22? Plus 1 into M22. M22 living of second row, second column. Living of second row, second column. 1 into 5 is a 5. 1 into 5 is a 5 and 3 into 0 is a 0. 5 minus 0. Therefore, 1 into 5 minus 0 is a 5. 1 into 5 is a 5. And next cofactor A23 equal to minus 1 into M23. 2 plus 3, this addition is a 5. Minus 1 raised to 5 means minus 1 into M23. Living of second row, third column. This element 1 into 0 is a 0. Minus 1 into 0. And this product 0 into 2 is a 0. Minus 1 into 0 minus 0 is a 0. Minus 1 into 0 is a 0. And next cofactor is A31 equal to plus 1 into M31. Plus 1 into M31. What is the value of M31? M31 living of third row, first column. Third row, first column. 2 into 4 is a 8. And this direction is a minus. 2 into 3 is a 6. 8 minus 6. Plus 1 into 8 minus 6 is a 2. 1 into 2 is a 2. And next cofactor is A32. 3 plus 2. Minus 1 raised to 5 is a minus 1 into M32. We use directly minus 1 into M32. Minus 1 into M32. What is the value of M32? Living of third row, second column. Living of third row, second column. Living of third row, second column. Third row, second column. 1 into 4 is a 4. And 0 into 3 is a 0. Minus 1 into 4 minus 0 is a 4. Minus 1 into 4 is a minus 4. And last cofactor is A33 equal to plus 1 into M33. Plus 1 into M33. What is the value of M33? Living of third row, third column. Living of third row, third column. 1 into 2 is a 2. 1 into 2 is a 2 and 0 into 2 is a 0. 2 minus 0. Therefore, 1 into 2 minus 0 is a 2. 1 into 2 is a 2. Therefore, cofactor of matrix A is cofactor of matrix A is A11 is a 10, A12 is a 0, A13 is a 0, A21 is a minus 10, A22 is a 5, A23 is a 0, A31 is a 2, A32 is a minus 4 and A33 is a 2. This is the cofactor of matrix A. Find the value of adjoint A. Adjoint A equal to transpose of matrix A. Transpose of matrix A. Transpose means interchange row and column. What is the transpose? Interchange row and column. First row, interchange first column, 10. First row, 10, 0, 0. Interchange first column, 10, 0, 0. Second row, interchange second column, minus 10, 5, 0. And third row, interchange third column, 2, minus 4, 2. This is the value of adjoint A. Adjoint A equal to transpose of matrix A. Therefore, A inverse equal to, what is the formula of A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Therefore, 1 by determinant A, the value of determinant A is a 10 into adjoint A. Into adjoint A is a 10 minus 10 to 0, 5, minus 4, 0, 0, 2, This is the value of A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A equal to 1 by 10 into 10 minus 10 to 0, 5 minus 4, 0, 0, 2. Therefore, A inverse is a 1 by 10 into first row is a 10 minus 10 to 0, 5 minus 4, 0, 0, 2. Okay, do you understand? A inverse equal to 1 by 10 into 10 minus 10 to 0, 5 minus 4, 0, 0, 2. Okay.